because Christianity is a journey. Inibihat sa Psalm chapter 32, verse 8. Inibihat mo yun. Sa Psalm chapter 32, verse 8. Inibihat. I will instruct you and teach you in the way you should go, and I will guide you with my own eye. With my own eyes. Ako bang instruksyonan, ako bang tudluan, o ako bang gihahan sa ato yung mismong mga mata. So you see, if Christianity is a journey, then we need the Lord to give us instruction, to teach us all the way on the journey, and to give us